Hey my love, so I'm gonna jump right into this video. I'm back with another quick DIY, and I've had this makeup pouch for quite a while. Didn't want to get rid of it. Really want to tote it around. It had a little strap to it, but I decided to use these chain links that I also had from some other purses, and I'm gonna make me a crossbody bag. This is the little scrap it came with. And so, the makeup bags, they only have the one little latch. Well, this one only had this one little latch. So I'm going to have to create another, I don't even know what to call this little piece, or the scrap piece, I guess, to put another latch on the opposite side of the bag to hold the crossbody. So that's what I'm going to do. The first thing, I also want to take and create some pockets inside of the bag. I'm going to use my glue gun. Y'all know I love my glue gun. I'm going to put some pockets in there, just one medium-sized pocket and one smaller pocket, just to give it a little more storage space. I'm going to be using this scrunchie fabric. I just liked the way it looked. It was laying around. I didn't use the scrunchie. And I'm just going to cut it. I didn't record me folding the bottom parts of the fabric, but I'm going to fold a little pocket, as you can see in the video. And all I'm going to do is outline this with some hot glue. And then I'm going to place it on the inside of the makeup pouch. This glue be so hot, but I'm going to go and press it down. Then I'm just going to take the glue gun and go back in and add some more glue just for security. I'm not going to be putting anything heavy inside of the bag. I never have like a full purse, so I think these will work out perfectly. Now I'm going to take the medium-sized piece and I'm going to do the same thing. Just add hot glue. And there, I now have 2 pockets inside of my bag in less than 2 minutes. Y'all, this was just so spare of the moment. I happened to stumble across this bag. I had put it up a while back, and I was just like, oh my God, what could I do with this bag? I was going to sit it up on my shelves with my other purses, and I was like, no, I really want to tote this bag around. So I also pulled out these chain links, and I was like, okay, yeah, let me make me a purse right quick. So here, I cut off the scrap piece, just the top piece, just to make a little loop. I put the snap piece in, add a little hot glue, squeeze it together, and now I have another snap piece. Now I just need to add it to this side here. So I did go in and take a little of the thread off. I added some super glue as well as some hot glue to give it more security, and all I did was push it down inside. So now I have 2 loops. I'm going to take my chain and I'm going to hook it up on both sides. And just like that, I now have a nice crossbody bag with 2 pockets inside. Like, oh my God. And if I decide I want to use it as a makeup pouch again, all I got to do is take the chain off and there I go. So I took the things from my previous purse and I'm going to go ahead and put them in this purse. So, of course, hand sanitizer is a must-have. I have literally 3 hand sanitizers in my purse, you guys. Yeah, it's just a necessity right now. So I have my little pouch, nothing major. I have my little compact mirror. I have chapstick. I have my date book, lotion, headphones that I rarely use, but you just never know when you might need some. And all I'm doing is just laying everything in there where I want it to go. And it's nice because it gives me a lot of space. Everything isn't clumped up. The pockets add more storage for me, so everything is just not sitting in the bottom of it. And I like it. I'm glad I decided to make it, so my bag wasn't just sitting there going to waste, pretty much collecting dust on a shelf. So now I get to throw it on and use it, and it's just that easy. I mean, most people would have tried to sew and all that. I'm a hot gluer, so my daughter decided to TikTok my bag. She wanted to make her some videos with it, so she's my model for my bag. I just love the way it turned out. As you can see, it is a nice size bag. Nice shoulder bag if you want it. It's not short. It doesn't hang on all the way up to your waist. It hangs low, so when she puts it across her body, it's going to be perfect. But this is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. It took me less than 5 minutes, you guys, to create this. I really enjoyed making it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.